Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I will show you guys how I achieved this beautiful high ponytail bun. So stay tuned, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so as always I will start by spraying my DIY water on my hair and then apply my hair oil and my leave-in conditioner. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below. If you are interested, you can check it out. So I will be using the same hair extension I used on my last hair tutorial video. I will go ahead and loose the braid and make sure that I comb it very well. So it's actually the next morning and I just finished filming a get ready with us for church. And if you have not already seen the video, I'm going to put it in the description box so you can go and show me some love. Anyway, I will go ahead and attach the hair on the natural hair bond we created earlier and then go ahead and twist it. That I am done twisting the hair, I will go ahead and roll it over my natural hair bond as you can see, and then I will use my bobby pin to secure it. After that, I will go ahead and spray my hair with my olive oil hairspray just to give the hair a little bit of shine, and I will go ahead and add my hair jewelries just to bring the beauty of the style out. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.